Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dairy door in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dairy door. The dairy door is used as an additional covered storage on the top of the refrigerator door. The main reason for the dairy door to be replaced is if it's broken and won't stay on. Let's open the refrigerator door. If your old dairy door is still staying on, all you need to do to remove it is to push one side in, and then you can take it out. This is the old dairy door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install a new dairy door, first of all, check where would be the bottom. You can see this little band. That's where you're supposed to lift it for. Then you match one side, the hole with the hinge pin, and then press the door in. Don't go too far, you're going to break it, and slide it on the hinge pin. We're done. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.